Hello guys, so in this video I'll be teaching you how to connect and install this 450 watt solar CCTV camera, the 3-in-1. It has what? 4 lens, 3 video, the 450 watt solar street lights with CCTV camera. So after you have brought out everything from the camera and from the box, the first thing first is to locate it. So this is the pole that comes inside the box, a polycom pole that you put at the under. Assuming you want to mount it on the wall, this is the pole, the shorthand pole that comes inside it. So here is the remote and the battery that you can use in controlling the lights. So also, this is a 64 gig memory card that we give to our beloved customers that order from us at Max Electronics. We give you a free delivery and a free 64 gig memory card. So you see it inside the box. Then here is the what? The camera. Here is the camera. So you can rotate it. You can position it anywhere you want. You can position it. So you can position it anywhere you want. The direction you want this stuff to face. You can just direct it manually to there. Then this one at the under rotates what? 360. You can control it from your phone, and it also has motion sensor. So this is a USB cord that you are going to use to connect it to the panel. So that being said, this is a SIM ejector. You get it from this. There's also a manual in the box, just in case. So you use this to put your memory card and your SIM card at the back of the camera, at the head of the camera. So you pick your SIM and you quietly put the panel. This is the light. You can see it at the back. That's the panel, and this is the light. This is where you can. This green button is where you can turn it on and off manually. And by the side, by the left-hand side, is where you can turn on the camera once you have connected it to the panel. This is the cord where you plug in the USB cord. The USB cord at the bottom, this is where you connect it. And this also has a Type-C charging port. So what you do when you get it, the first day or the first week when you get this, is to plug it to electricity, to a NEPA light, to electricity, and charge it for at least 6 to 7, 8 hours. So why I tell my customers to do this is to boost the battery life of this particular device. It's just like when you get a new device, a new phone, they ask you to, power it with electricity. So it's the same thing that you are going to do here. So, wow, this is how bright the light is to put the camera to the panel. So once you have connected it, the USB cord, as you can see from here, once you have connected it to that USB port, then you gently put in the stuff, the camera to the panel, rotate and lock. So once you have done that, it's ready. So once you have done that, this is how it will be when you send. So, but you must make sure you have a registered SIM card that you are going to use here, where you put your SIM card and your memory card. So once you have done that, the next thing is to do what? Is to turn it on by the left side. By the left side of the panel. You just click this small button. By the left side, you turn it on. So once you turn it on, you hear a sound.
Camera is starting. Please wait. SIM card not recognized.
Camera is starting. Please wait. SIM card is not recognized because I have not inserted my SIM card into this particular camera. So in the next slide, I will show you a video record on how to connect the camera to your mobile device, where you have to scan this code, this QR code with your mobile device, how to create an account and scan. This QR code is what you are going to scan when you log in to your mobile app. Alright, so I'll be showing you right now a screen record on how to register the app and how to connect it with this particular solar CCTV. I'm trying to insert my SIM card, my Glow SIM card inside. So the big part is where you put your memory card. Then the small hole is for SIM card. So once you use that SIM, that stuff I showed you, the holder, this that is inside the pack. You use it to hold your SIM. So once you have done that, then you quietly insert your SIM. You quietly insert your SIM. Insert your SIM inside. So once you have done that, you push it in. You make sure you are putting it in the... Once you have put your SIM card, you use this thing to push it in. Use this ejector to push it in. So once you have pushed it in, you hear a sound. You just hear a click sound, meaning it has entered, it has inserted. Once you just push it in, it will be there. Then you do what? You cover. So the next thing is to download the app. So when you download the app from your mobile store or your Play Store or online, or from the manual, you can just scan this. You can just scan this from the manual, and it will automatically, with your scanner, to automatically download the app for you. So once you have done that, you open the app. You open the app, wait for the app to load. So when you open the app, you follow the due step. Okay, so when you open the app, this is what you are going to see. This is exactly what you are going to see. So you click on register. Register. So you put in your email, your country, your region where you come from, Africa, and from Africa. Then you put your email. For this purpose, I'll be using one of my email. You put in your email, your active email. So once you have done that, you click on what? Next. You click on what? Next. You click on next and hold on. They will send a verification email, a verification code to your email. So you go and check that code and copy it and come and put it here on this place. So I'm going to pause the video to put my code. So once you have put in your code, it will bring you to this place where you set your password and you enter a password, and where you set your password. So this place, make sure the password you use is something that you will be able to remember easily. So I'll pause the video to put in my own password. So once you have created a password, it will automatically take you to the home page. You understand? Where you can add device. This is the home page. So at this moment, you turn on the camera. You turn it on. You turn it on. You turn it on and wait. So once you have turned it on,
Camera is starting. Please wait. Network connected.
Network connected. It means your SIM card is active and what? Connected. SIM card is active and connected. So you click on here, you click on add what? Add camera or add device, anyone. You click on add device. So after you have clicked on add device, you allow. So it will open the camera on your phone so that you'll be able to scan this QR code by the side of the camera. So you try and scan. Yes, so we have scanned the QR code. We have scanned it and is about to do what? So once you have scanned it, it will show what? The device is online. So if you want to add another camera, assuming you bought 2 of it, or 3 of it, 5 of it, you follow the same procedure. So after you have done that, the next thing is to go back. You just click here, this button at the top left corner. You click it and you go back to the page. Okay, so I just figured out something. After coming back to the page, it seems like it did not work. So you read this message: the necessary permission for adding device are not enabled. So just click on it. Click on this yellow right up. Click on it and allow permission. Allow permission. Allow permission. allow permission, enable setting. You can enable setting, allow Bluetooth, enable setting. So you allow it to also scan for Wi-Fi if there is. So we come back to the app. So after you have turned on all these stuffs, all these prompts, you click on confirm. So once you have confirmed that, next thing is to do what? Add device. 4G camera. 4G, you click on this one, 4G camera. Add device, 4G camera. So once you have clicked on it, 4G camera, please scan the QR code. You click this button here, this place. You click on this place here, this. You click it on the app so that you'll be able to scan. So once you have clicked it, you click. So once you have 4G camera, you click. You now scan. So once you have scanned it, a code will come out. For the sake of this video, I'm going to put a memory card. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to try and insert a memory card. Once you click on activate device, it starts activating device. By then you might have put your SIM card and your memory card. Activating device. We are waiting for it to connect. So I'll pause the video and wait for it to connect and show you. So yes, it has connected, and you can see it's showing 3 video. So it's capturing my room already, but why it is upside down is because you can see it is upside down. So when I mount it outside, I have to turn it the other way and it will be facing the proper way. So as you can see, you can now come down here and you can click on more. You see some settings, alarm, light control, the part PTZ, motion track, the PTZ calibration, everything that you want. So let's try and click on the speaker. Okay, my network is poor if not. So let's try and click on the speaker and see if we can speak. Hello?
Hello?
Who is there?
Hello? Who is there?
So as you can see, it's working perfectly.